Hi everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can change your Instagram name. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video till the end. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to Instagram, absolutely on any device. And then in the top right corner, when we open our profile, there's these three bars. Click here. Then we open Settings and Privacy. Meta Account Center. Next, we open Profiles. Here we choose our Instagram. Next, we have Name, Username, Profile. Click on Name, and here we can change the name of our Instagram profile. Click, and the keyboard appears. We change the name, and once we've changed it, we click Save. We can also change our username by clicking here, and also add some letters, numbers, underscores here. Click Ready and Save. That's how easy it is to change your Instagram name. If you liked this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Put a like. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.